Good morning to all. Welcome to my channel. Today we will be discussing under cost accounting, that is material cost control. See, before discussing to the material cost control, we should understand that जो cost of production हमने जो निकालते हैं एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में, उसमें तीनों कंपोनेंट्स है. One is material, one is labor and one is overhead. कोई भी एक प्रोडक्ट को आप देखोगे जो आउट ऑफ द टोटल प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट more than 70% cost will be your material cost. So unless and until you control the material cost, it will be very difficult to control your overall production cost. So that's why production cost control purpose, your material cost control is very vital. Now material cost control part, what are the costs involved in your material? One is your ordering cost. What is that ordering cost? Ordering cost means to the placing of the order. Placing of the order means you are to take the quotations, or you are to participate in the tender for that purchase of materials, and your placement of the orders, all those things. So these processing part, some cost will be there, that will be calling for that ordering cost. Similarly, carrying cost means this: if you have to store your godown, there you have to put your material, and your that warehouse, that godown cost will be there, godown cost, plus your storekeeper will be there, storekeeper salary will be there, and your that watchman or darwan वो भी आपको रखना पड़ेगा. So all these costs taking together your carrying cost. So आपको जो करना पड़ेगा, जो मटेरियल आप कौन सा लेवल पे आप खरीद करोगे, सो दैट योर टोटल जो कॉस्ट है, बोथ ऑर्डरिंग कॉस्ट एंड कैरिंग कॉस्ट विल बी मिनिमम, सो दैट योर टोटल रॉ मटेरियल cost will be reduced. So how? So this should, for this purpose, we have to know that what level of quantity we can purchase so that your cost will be minimum. So now we understand that to avoid the cost, we can purchase frequent orders, but what quantity we do not know. So a very small amount will give the order, but in such situation what will happen, some your material का साथ your production का process का flow match नहीं करेगा, तो your productions will not be complete, you cannot execute the order. On the other hand, to avoid that your productions linkage baggage, you can purchase a bulk at a time more material. So if you store the at a time more material, what will happen? So your unnecessary working capital will block. You know that every capital has some cost. Either this your or general interest cost or carrying cost, everything will be your the compositions of material cost will be there. So for to avoid that, we have to make a technique, that is the economic order quantity. By name itself, what amount, what quantity of material to be purchased, so that your both carrying cost and ordering cost will be reduced. So this will be called the economic order quantity. By name itself, this is telling that economic order quantity. That minimum quantity you can purchase so that your production will not be disturbed. At the same time, both your carrying cost and ordering cost will be minimum. So as we have mentioned this formula, 2AO by C by I, where annual demand equal to A, ordering cost equal to O, and carrying cost per unit per annum. So that means cost per unit plus your rate of interest. So your that cost of capital is your that we multiply. For that example, we have kept that, say annual demand your 1000 units, your ordering cost will be your 100, and carrying cost per unit per annum will be, say your cost per unit is 50 and rate of interest say 10%, so C into I equal to 5. So now we can come to the formula EOQ equal to 2AO by C into I as you have given in the formula. So formula Y is 2 into A equal to your 1000 units and your ordering cost O equal to 100 divided by your cost per unit rupees 50 into I equal to 10% 0.10. So your total figure will come 2 into 1000 into 100 by 50 into 0.10 equal to 5. So if you solve these things, what will happen? This will be 20. So 1000 into 1000 into 20 equal to 40,000. So 40,000 your root 40,000 equal to your 200. So how will come these things? So square root will go at a time, you know that. So 40,000 means square root 200 square, right? So square root matlab hai when square means power your half, so 2 into half, so both will cancel, then your 200. So 200 will be your units, your economic order quantity. So these cases your economic order quantity will be 200. So आज के लिए हमने इतना तक हमने रख रहा हूँ. Next our जो other classes will be there. Typical economic order quantity problems will be bringing and how economic order quantity value will differ from your existing procurement process. So आज के लिए इतना तक. सपोज मेरा चैनल आपको अच्छा लगे, so you can सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल so that फ्यूचर में जितना सारी आपको वीडियोज आएगा एवरीथिंग यू विल बी गेटिंग इन राइट टाइम. सो आज के लिए इतना तक. हैव ए गुड डे.